One quick access to accessibility feature without going deep into menus. The accessibility button on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra can float anywhere on your screen, giving one-tap access to helpful tools. Here's how to set it up and customize it. So go to setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility, then tap advanced setting. Under accessibility shortcut section, tap accessibility button. Under location section, select floating over other apps. The button will appear on your screen and can be dragged anywhere, including the edge. If needed, you can do some customization. Tap select action and then add another shortcut you want. As example, add magnification. If you often need to zoom in on a small text, as you can see, if you add multiple shortcuts, the icon starts vertically, stretching the button into a long rectangle with rounded edge. Tap the back key. Tap size to change the icon size. As example, you can make it smaller if it blocks content on your screen. You can enable fade when not in use to keep it less distracting, and you can set the transparency level to medium to keep it visible but not blocking your view. Given to the function, if you often need to zoom in on text or switch color inversion quickly, the floating icon lets you do it instantly. Unlike the navigation bar button, all shortcuts are displayed immediately, so you don't need to tap again to see them. The floating accessibility button gives us access to all your shortcuts, and with size, fade, and transparency adjustment, you can make it comfortable and convenient for any situation on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.